You will be amazed by this 2017 Dodge Journey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a versatile Dodge Journey that offers the family-friendly space and convenience you're looking for at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, remote engine start, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, keyless start. Convenient versatility meets impressive value in this well-equipped Journey. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.